Hello, third grade. This is Module 7, Lesson 12. There's no slides today because the slides were just examples of how to do this. And I didn't have some of those things cut out and ready here, so I thought we would just go straight to this and maybe do a couple together. So the directions say measure and label the side lengths of each shape in centimeters. Then find the perimeter of each shape. Perimeter means you're going to add all the sides together. So you're going to add this side plus this side plus this side plus this side to get the perimeter. If you have a ruler, go and get that now. If you don't have a ruler, that's fine. You can use from the tip of your thumb till that first knuckle, that is about 1 inch long. So if you put it against the side of that shape, that is almost 1. So 1, oh, that's not, oh, there we go. So 1 centimeter. And all these sides look like they're the same. So I'm going to label each side as best as I can with this drawing tool. 1 centimeter. In case you forget what you were supposed to label it, right here it tells you that these are centimeters. So 1, 1, 1, and 1. So what is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1? You're right, it is 4 centimeters. We don't do squared for perimeter because we're not multiplying. We're adding. I always think of perimeter plus, and plussing is adding. Let's go to B. So these sides look like they're almost the same length here, and it's still centimeters. So I'm going to go 1 centimeter, and each one, 1 centimeter. It's very poor centimeter. Hopefully your penmanship's a little better than mine. How many sides are here when we're doing this? That's going to make you think how much you're going to add. And it looks like there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So we are going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then go ahead and put those plus signs between them. You don't have to write centimeters here. I know they did in that first problem, but this isn't a very big workspace to write 1 and the centimeter. Just make sure you write it up here with that figure. So when we add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, what do we get? You are correct. It is 6 centimeters. I want you to do the same for C, D, and E. Then I want you to go ahead and pause the video, do the same for C, D, and E, and then start the video again for the next part of the worksheet. Number 2, Carson draws 2 triangles to create the new shape shown below. Use a ruler to find the side lengths of Carson's shape in centimeters. Then find the perimeter. Well, let's see. These all look like a little less than 1 centimeter when you put your thumb up against there. I'm just going to call each side 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Make sure you label them centimeters. I want you to pause the video and find the perimeter and write it down. Make sure you have the equation and the answer on your paper. For number 4, it says, Hugh and Daisy draw the shapes shown below. Measure and label the side lengths in centimeters. Whose shape has the greatest perimeter? How do you know? So you need to label the side lengths of Hugh's perimeter and Daisy's perimeter. Find the perimeter, and then write a sentence saying which shape is more and why. Pause the video to do that. Number 4, Andrea measures one side length of the square below. She says she can find the perimeter with that measurement. Explain Andrea's thinking. Then find the perimeter in centimeters. So the first thing you're going to do is explain why Andrea thinks the way she does. And then the next thing you will do is find the perimeter of that square. This is the end of the video. Please remember, if you have any questions, to send me a message on Seesaw, on Classroom, or through email. Bye, 3rd grade.